Welcome back, Course 1. It's Mr. Belke back here with Lesson 101, found on page 528. Let's get started. Today we're taking a look at ratio problems involving totals. So, let's take a look at the first problem. The ratio of boys to girls in a class was 5 to 4. If there are 27 students in the class, how many were girls? All right, let's start by drawing our ratio box. And now we're going to need 3 sets because we got the ratio, the actual, and then we have boys, girls, and now we have a new box, the total. All right, so now we can fill in what we know. The ratio of boys to girls was 5 to 4. So ratio of boys to girls is 5 to 4. Okay, so what would this total down here be? If this is 5 and this is 4, the total would be 9. Right. Okay, what else do we know? We know there are 27 total students in the class. Okay, 27 total students in the class. Not 27 girls or 27 boys, 27 total. Now, what are they asking us to find? They say, how many girls are there? Okay, so when we're doing a problem like this, we want to take the boxes where both of them are filled in, and then the one with the missing number. Okay, and we can set up a proportion. 4 is to 9, just as x is to 27. Okay, 4 is to 9 as x is to 27. Then we can cross multiply and divide. Okay, so 27 times 4, 4 times 7 is 8, 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 108, and then divide by 9. 108 divided by 9, if you know fact families, you know that is 12. So that means there are 12 girls. And if there are 12 girls, that would tell me that there are 15 boys. Even though it's not asking us for boys, I can still figure out how many boys there were. All right, let's take a look at the next example, page 529. The ratio of football players to band members on the football field was 2 to 5. Okay, so let's set up a ratio box. We have the ratio and the actual, football to band, and total. Okay, the ratio of football to band is 2 to 5. That means our total is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, altogether there are 175 football players and band members on the field. Okay, so total there are 175 players, and I want to know how many football players are on the field. Okay, so I'm going to take the one that has both boxes filled in and the one with the variable that I want to find. And I set up a proportion. 2 is to 7 as x is to 175. And then I can cross multiply and divide. So I have 175 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7, 14, 15. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So I got 350. And divided by 7. So 350 divided by 7. 7 goes into 35 5 times. Subtract, I get nothing. Bring down the 0. 7 goes into 0 0 times. Subtract 0. So there are 50 football players. 50 football players. And that's it. That's really all there is to this lesson. You set up the ratio box with the total, and then you ask yourself, what am I looking to find? You set up your proportion, cross multiply and divide. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to call, text, or email me, or meet me online between 9 and 10 tomorrow. That's it for today's lesson. Have a fantastic day.